Brazil's real, stocks, and bonds sank as a fresh political crisis ensnared President Michel Temer and threatened to derail a reform agenda that had helped restore confidence in the South American nation. The above SPA slid 10% before trading was halted, and futures on the real dropped 6%, also triggering a circuit breaker. Oil producer Petróleo Brasileiro SA and lender Banco do Brasil SA plunged at least 18%. Bond risk as measured by 5-year credit default swaps soared more than 60 basis points, the highest since January. More from Bloomberg.com. World's 500 richest people lose $35 billion from Trump turmoil. Markets will overreact, but the reality is that Brazil is rooting out the corruption that has plagued it for centuries, said James Gulbrandsen, a Rio de Janeiro-based portfolio manager at NCH Capital who holds Brazilian shares. Our view is that this significantly increases the likelihood of new elections within the coming months. The declines drove up the yield on the country's €1 billion, $1.1 billion, of bonds due 2021, by the most since they began trading 3 years ago. The iShares MSCI Brazil capped exchange-traded fund plunged 16%. The extra yield investors demand to hold the nation's debt instead of U.S. Treasuries jumped the most since September 2015. More from Bloomberg.com. Trump faces deepest crisis of presidency with Comey memo. Click here to follow the latest on the live blog.